Welcome to another episode of Gill Construction Solutions Ask Annie. Today we're going to look at a recent tub to shower conversion and bath remodel that we did in Harker Heights last fall. This is the final picture of what the bathroom looked like. It's gorgeous, isn't it? Let's look at what it appeared to be at the beginning. We just have a plain bathroom with shell, sinks, the big glass plate mirror, and those lights that were once popular. Our client wanted a classic and classy new look. They chose this leathered calcite countertop to achieve that, to help them achieve that. And you'll notice it kind of looks like a marble, doesn't it? It is beautiful. It's got beautiful sparkle to it. They also wanted to get rid of that jacuzzi tub that had been there forever. So it was replaced with a larger walk-in shower that is more easily accessible. You'll notice they loved grays and whites. They were wanting to go for that more bright and light bathroom. They kept that block glass window and had it framed out beautifully. The attention to details was very important to them. And you can see that everywhere you look in the shower and in the work that was done. There had been a smaller shower here to the left of the jacuzzi tub. Well, we took that out for them because they didn't need two showers any longer. And in its place, a wonderful little closet. Actually, it's pretty good size. You've got shelving, lots of place there to store some items. You would never know it was a shower previously. So here we're looking at the finished bathroom. Look at those unique mirrors. They offer a wonderful updated look and unique look, classic, glamorous look to the bathroom. They chose to frame out this block glass window so that it was more, had more details to it. The pattern matching of the veining was an important feature to them. And look here, like one of my favorite parts of their bathroom is this unique marble deco tile that is glamorous. It gives you that look and feel that you are someplace special in a spa. Gorgeous, isn't it? The attention to details when that was laid is awesome. Here's a close-up look of that inset. Look at it. It's just gorgeous. It just shimmers. It's at the front of the shower. So we have a glamorous spa-like bath that at every glance makes you feel, makes me feel joyful, happy to go in there. We've got a customized soap niche here, and it's all complemented by the light gray paint choices for the walls, the flooring choice, countertops. Everything complements the bathroom. A great look. What a difference. It was a nice bathroom before, but it's gone from nice to luxurious. I'm Annie Good, and it's my pleasure to bring insight and value to your projects each week. If you liked it, post below, share with a friend. See you next time.